Hello and welcome. This is a little video about elbow conditioning. I did a video just yesterday, or the day before, about forearm conditioning. I touched upon elbow conditioning, but I'm back in the dojo here at the temple in Nagasaki where I work. I just got these old canvas mats piled up, at the side of the dojo. They're just there, so I'm self-filming, so that seems like a good angle. So yeah, I mean, arguably you don't need to make a video about how to show you whack your elbow into something, but these are really good to start off with. So otherwise, seems to be like cardboard taped together is a good thing, like attach it to a wall somehow. But if you can, pick up just old canvas mats, off the web or second hand or whatever, or find something that serves has a similar texture, whatever. Anyway, and do that, because one thing, a lot of dojos and stuff, they use, focus pads or kick shields and that, and I mean, anyone can fire loads of shots into that and it's all great, but you might as well be doing it into jelly. You actually want to get some conditioning work out of it as well. So these things offer some resistance, basically. So you're going to start off, you're not going to do it, because even these will, if you're not used to it, these will screw your joints up, and there's a joint. So you want to, start off and sort of twist into it, keep the arms up so you're going in, and then, fire that one out, and one alternately, As you get more used to it, this is the sort of area you want here. Fire that one in, and start to try and go as though you're going through it. That old thing, twisting the hip, bring the elbows. You might have them round, you might have them tucked in, and then bringing it out as you fire the shot in. So really, this is really twist that hip round, and then switch to do alternate, just mix it up a bit. So you can see or you can try 3 quickly, another one 4 quickly. But that just sort of mixes up a bit, So, but yeah, when it's starting off, just nice, even. You don't want to muck yourself out, don't want to hurt yourself. You want to feel it, you want to feel the conditioning, in my humble opinion. As I said before, not to go on, but just holding a focus pad and that, I mean, anyone, and you can, you can really wallop it, but it's not going to help condition the body. I said the other day when I did firearm conditioning, Judd Reed, the great Judd Reed, Australian karateka, sorry, whoops. But his elbows, they really do stick out. And I think that I read some of the Thai fighters, kickboxers, call it sharpening the elbows, which is an excellent description. So conditioned elbows can be as obvious to see as conditioned hands, knuckles, etc. So just work nice and steadily, and when you feel confident, just pick up the pace a bit more, so you can really start to stick it in there on a surface that's kind of harder than, like a sponge kick pad or whatever. Okay, it's just keep it tight, fire them out, keep the arms in and fire that one out. That's some little thoughts there on elbow conditioning. Us.